crocheting increases in amigurumi. So first off, I want to show how you will do a single crochet increase in a foundation chain. After this, we'll be going through how to do for in rows and rounds as well. So I've done the first single crochet, and then we'll proceed to do the second single crochet in the same chain. So if you move on to this next chain, you do single crochet once and then a second time into the same chain. It's really quite easy. And then for the third example, we just work, you can see there are 2 increases here, and then we will do for one more chain. We will insert the hook into the next chain, proceed to single crochet 1 and then the second time. And that is basically all that it is for doing a single crochet increase in a chain. Now we move on to doing a single crochet increase in a row. So basically insert the hook into the stitch and then proceed to single crochet 1, insert in the same stitch again, and then proceed to do single crochet again. And basically that is just the single crochet increase. Let's do a second example. So insert into a stitch and then single crochet once, and then after that repeat for a second time. So we have done 2 increases, and then you can see there are 4 stitches here, which was on top of the preceding 2 in the previous row. So we can do it one more time. This is a single crochet once, and then we will increase in the same stitch, and then that's it. Basically that's it for a single crochet increase in a row. Lastly, we're going to do an increase in a round, which is what we usually do for amigurumi. Insert the hook into the crochet stitch and then proceed to single crochet once, insert back into the same stitch and then single crochet again. So basically that's it, just an increase. We will proceed to do the next stitch and increase again. So 1 single crochet and then the next one. Okay, for the last example, just insert back into the next stitch, single crochet 1 and then repeat, and there you have it. You have 3 increases. So 1 increase, 2 increase, and then 3 increases. That's all. So you can see it's fairly easy to do a single crochet increase, and in the next part I'll show you how that looks like in amigurumi. This is my Sunny the Chick pattern. As you can see from the transition from the head to the body, there's a slight increase, which is mainly at the sides. So this gives off a rounded appearance. It looks more like a pear shape rather than just a normal cylinder or tube. So this is how it looks like when you do increases. At the side here there is 1 increase, and then on the other side there's another increase. So this is how I wanted to show what the increases look like when you make it in amigurumi. For this particular chick, there are no decreases at all. For a sphere, it's slightly more complicated because the top part involves increases, and then right at the bottom, when you narrow off, it does involve decreases. So we're not really going through decreases in this tutorial because I just wanted to cover something simple like increases. But to achieve this appearance for a sphere, you will also need to master both increases and decreases as well.